Are you craving some white bread while sticking to a low-carb or carnivore diet? You're not alone. I am too. Today I'm excited to try out a white bread recipe that's not only keto and carnivore friendly, but also totally free of pork rind. Finally, I have found this gem on Chris's cooking channel and I can't wait to give it a shot for the very first time. So let's see how it turns out. If it's delicious as it looks, we might just have found a new favorite recipe on our hands. So for this recipe, you need 2 large bowls. One, you will separate your egg white into, which is what I'm doing now. Into this bowl, you will be adding some egg white powder. 27 grams of egg white powder is measured into it. And then you will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And that's it for this bowl. Now your second bowl, you would be adding in some cream. Whipped cream is what you need for this recipe. You need 175 ml, which you will whip together. And then you will add some gelatin, 15 grams of gelatin powder, and whip it in. The gelatin will thicken this. You add in your 4 egg yolks. And then you add in a teaspoon of yeast, instant yeast. I think if you're strict carnivore, you may be able to omit this step. I do not know, but I'm just going to use it for this recipe. And then you add some white vinegar, 12 grams. I know you can measure everything out, but I don't want to do too much washing, so I'm just measuring it in. And then you add another 38 grams of egg white powder into this. And this is the list of all what you need to add into this bowl. Give it a little bit of a mix. And then blend everything all together. And that's it. Now you just have to gently add in your first bowl, which is your egg white, and slowly mix it in. It doesn't take long. As long as you get all your ingredients set up, this shouldn't ideally take you more than literally half an hour to prep. And this is a small batch I'm prepping here just to test it, to see if I like it. And I've lined my bread tin with some parchment paper. I've added some butter on the parchment paper, obviously. And there you have it. So I'm going to place this in the oven and that's it afterwards. It's looking quite good. And there you have it. It literally looks so nice, and it actually does taste nice. It feels like bread, the texture. It's not soggy. I'm going to try I'm going to make a sandwich, a toasted sandwich out of this. and see how that comes out, just to see if it does what bread, as in our normal bread, does. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.